So now more than ever, people need meaning and purpose to their lives. And perhaps you're feeling that way, where you're noticing that your mood might be starting to go into a decline. You might be starting to become more insular and just a little less on it, a little less motivated, feeling that this year has just taken its toll on you, that things have felt like you've had to put so much more effort into just to maybe even stand still. So with this in mind, I am running a workshop this Saturday, and it's all about finding your purpose. You know, what's the point for you in your life? Finding your purpose, or at the very least, leaving the session feeling more purposeful. So it's 2 hours, it's Saturday, it's 10 till 2, it's 10 till 12. Even I know 10 till 2 is 4 hours. And it's going to be interactive. It's going to be a process of self-discovery and putting the spotlight onto things that may ordinarily just go unnoticed. And the value of knowing your purpose or feeling more purposeful is that you make sense to you. Even your past makes sense, and your mistakes make sense and actually become gifts for the future. And then you learn and you know where you're going and why that matters to you. You also become clearer on who is part of this journey with you, what you're no longer willing to tolerate, and you know who you want to work with, who you want to be around, what you want to do, what's the sort of things that you want to put your energy into, even if there's no financial exchange in it. Because when you are living life with purpose, on purpose, there's an energy that it creates within you that is refueling. Also, challenges, hurdles, blocks that show up on your journey, you're able to plough through, drive through, jump over or around, because you are in tune with your purpose. So if this feels like just what you need right now, I've created it a booking process in a way that you pick the price that works for your pocket, your commitments right now. And if you find you can't afford any of the 3 options that I'm offering, then get in touch and I will gift you a place. This is not a time to let money get in the way of us feeling empowered, feeling that we are in control of what we want and how we get to it. So click on the link below, book your place, and I shall see you Saturday. Lots of love.